Hey, what's up, guys? So my 350Z is starting to look like a proper track build now. Looks great after the hood vents install. Those are track spec motorsports hood vents. These little diffuser things just came off of Amazon for like $20 for the set. I just dremeled out the holes for them and then just screwed them into place. While I had the rear bumper off, I took the opportunity to install that Sparco toe strap. So I got no toe capabilities on the rear. One thing I did, I gotta get right under the floor here. So what I did, I can push this up. So the bumper, what I thought, here, let's steady the camera a bit. Use this flap as a diffuser, like kind of like as a wing, so it goes down. I might need to put more of these screws down here. Let's try and hold it straight for once. So it goes down. I might need to add more into the middles there to make it more stable at speed, but I haven't had a chance to test this yet. Ooh, that Bell Raceworks diff brace. But yeah, it looks really good. I can't wait to get this tested out. I just finished installing the a used wiring harness. I'm not even sure this runs. Let's give it a shot. Pro tip, if you actually have a functioning oil pressure sensor, but it's stuck at max, you just smack the top of it and it'll read correct. Dang, sounds great. Up and running, boys. So I'm gonna finish up installing rear suspension components. I got the fronts done already. I got BC Racing coilovers and Z1 suspension arms to go in. So the fronts are done, rear is about, ooh, bless you. So the rear has to be done still. I stripped the bolt. Gesundheit. So yeah, I got a strip bolt on the back that's holding me up a bit. I'm gonna have to destroy the bolt, nut, screw, whatever, get all that stuff off and replace it. But yeah, after that, it should be